Welcome to another Inventor tutorial. My name is Mr. Galindo. Today we're going to be looking at 2D sketches. 2D sketches are sketches that can be done on any planar surface. I'm going to create a new file right now by going File, New, selecting from the metric options, templates. We can also find imperial templates here under the English folder, a standard part. I'm now going to go up to the ribbon in the 3D mode and select under the panel Sketch, the 2D sketch. When I select this for the first time in Inventor, 3 planes are automatically visible that weren't before. Inventor always creates these 3 planes that, along with 3 axes that run through a center point. If you select the origin folder here and expand it, you can see that in the browser. Now you select one of these planes, like so. Inventor orientates itself to that plane in a 2D kind of perspective, and then you're able to sketch a profile on this plane. This is how all 3D geometry is started, basically, by creating a 2D shape and then applying a third dimension to it. You'll notice that as I created that, there is a coordinate here, like a X and Y axes, and that's exactly what is visible from our coordinate viewer just in the bottom corner. This is the origin, 0, 0, and if I hover over with the line tool, you can see that. I can select here to start at 0, 0, and I can use the coordinate system by using my keyboard and the tab button to specify the lengths of objects and the angle at which they are created as I go. Just hitting tab to switch between the two and changing the numbers there to get the desired effect. I'm not going to continue this sketch, I'm just going to finish it now, and you can see I've created a 2D sketch. Moving to a part that I've previously created, I wanted to just illustrate how you can use the sketch tool to create a sketch on 3D surfaces. As I said, it works on any planar surface, so these flat facets here of this rectangular prism can be used to do sketches. Selecting the circle tool this time, I'm going to create just a little bit of geometry that will illustrate the point. Finishing the sketch, you can see what I've done. Now, for more complex tasks or products, sometimes it is necessary to create a work plane. Work features are created up here, and again these work planes work like the original planes that Inventor always creates, in which it is a 2D surface we can then create profiles on, which I'm doing just to illustrate the point again. Finishing that sketch also, and you can see all these options to create 2D geometry. Thank you for watching. That was 2D sketches.